Hi, so welcome back. If you guys don't remember any of these terms or meaning for sashi suseso from last lesson, make sure to look back on that. So we're going to start off with tachi tsutsuto. So we're going to be learning ta, and ta has 4 strokes. It's kind of looks like ke, but instead it has like the hiragana ko on the right side. So some examples are hurting,
痛い
song,
歌
shoulder,
肩
waterfall,
滝
bamboo,
竹
down, or it can mean tongue,
下
and add.
足す
Yes, so I try to use hiragana that we already learned so that it'll be easier for you to write. So for the katakana, the katakana for ta is very similar to ku, but instead it has like the line in the middle. So some examples are like taxi, which is taxi, timing or timing, Italia for Italy, and senta for center. And so the next one is chi, and this only has 2 strokes. You just have to curve the ending of the second stroke. And so some examples are like blood
血
or father.
父
And this is how you can properly say it. Another way you can say father would be otosan, but if you're like introducing your father, then you would say it in this way. So 1,
1
win,
勝ち
mouth,
口
near or close by,
近い
and then michi for road, small or little,
小さい
and then chizu for map. So the katakana for chi is only 3 strokes, and some examples are like check for check, chicken for chicken, and chocolate for chocolate. So for the next one is tu. This is very simple to write. It's only like a curved stroke. You will see this a lot as like the tiny hiragana characters, but we'll explain all that later. So some examples are like hot,
暑い
and this is temperature wise. To add,
追加
yeah, so you would say this if, for example, you're ordering something and you want to add another topping. So you'd be like, 追加 this, or yeah. Win,
勝つ
moon,
好き
shoe,
靴
and important.
大切
Yes. Okay, so then for the katakana for two, this one, make sure that your third stroke goes from up to down diagonally because this can be easily mistaken as she if you don't write it correctly. So some examples are like tua for tour, Deutsche for Germany, and Twitter for Twitter. So the next one is te, and this one is also very simple, only 1 stroke, and some examples are like hand, enemy,
敵
come,
来て
do,
して
and tenki for weather. So the katakana for te is only 3 strokes, and it kind of looks like a T. Some examples are like tekisasu for Texas, terebi for television, and testo for test. Now on to our last katakana hiragana, and that is to. Um, yeah, so to is only two strokes. It's kind of like a upside down two with a line on top. Or you can look at it as like a toe with a nail on it. That's kind of scary, but anyway. So some examples of to are after,
あと、
yarn,
糸、
sound,
音、
drop,
落とす、
time,
時、
tokeru is for melt, thing,
こと、
sugar,
砂糖、
age,
年、
and outside.
外、
Yeah. And then so the katakana for to is very simple. It's just two strokes. So some examples are sketo for skate, stato for start. There's doitsu again, and tomato for tomato. So yeah, that concludes our hiragana katakana. So thank you guys for joining in, and we'll see you again. Bye.
バイバイ。
バイ。